It's always important to check and verify that this will be running the correct direction when I'm done with this, so I don't have to put everything back together and then take a 50-50 wager on whether or not it's going the right way and then have to redo it all over. So here's the model before I re-magnetize it, and I can tell with my positive and negative colors here which ones they are attached to. So the locomotive is facing, like, this direction is back and this direction is forward, and so we have the black pickup on the engineer's side. Let's take a look. This is the correct direction, and we see it's spinning downwards. Okay, now that I got that out of the way, I know which way this should be going. Next thing I could do is finally take off the motor from the frame. First I'm going to remove this screw here. Then I'm going to remove that screw under there. So get to that. Now the motor will still be attached, but only by the wires, so this is something I have to be careful with. There we go. Here's an ever increasingly popular tool on some of these model train tutorials. It's the Hornby Dublo magnetizer from the UK, custom made by someone. And these kind of bring back some charge to these older open frame motors. And this one isn't too bad, but I definitely want to see an increase in kind of current reduction. So to be able to do that, first I have to find the north part of the magnet. And going by this, see what it does. Kind of interesting how both sides are showing that there's a north side. So I'm going to go with that. This is the north side. Let me check again. Yeah. Let's take this, which is actually the bottom side of our motor. This might be the north side of the magnet, and therefore the north side, see where it says pointed end, that's where the direction of this magnet's going to go. You gotta be careful because I kind of want to make this easier on myself, not having to desolder or resolder anything. So it's still going to be attached to the frame. So here it is, the motor, and let's see if this is the right way. I'm going to press it once and take a look at what the compass does. Okay. Regardless of which direction the polarity is, this will be a stronger magnet. Like that. Okay. And now to apply, partially put it back together with the preparation in case this is the incorrect way. Yeah, there's quite a bit more, much more magnetized now. Okay, now we are back to being on the engineer side, and let's go ahead and put our alligator clips right back on. Okay, everything is exactly as is. I did not change the direction of the power pack. We're back with the same alligators on the correct sides, and if I did it correctly, the winding should be going down, and it's going up. You know what that means. I'll be right back and change it in the correct direction. And here I am back just a few minutes later, and I made the remagnetization again. I figured this is the north part of the north part of the magnets. This is at 10. It's pretty good. So now it's flowing in the correct direction. Therefore, I could finally begin to slowly put this model back together, because the motor and the magnet are now good to go.